Hey there! Have you ever wondered how to improve artificial intelligence with better focus? Well, stick around because I've got some tips and tricks for you. First off, it's important to eliminate distractions. Whether it's turning off notifications or finding a quiet workspace, minimizing interruptions can help you stay on track and improve the quality of your work. Next, try setting specific goals and deadlines. By breaking down your tasks into manageable chunks and giving yourself deadlines, you can stay motivated and maintain your focus. So there you have it. By eliminating distractions and setting goals, you can improve artificial intelligence with better focus. Remember, it's all about staying disciplined and committed to your work. Keep practicing these tips and watch your productivity soar. Uplifting ending sentence: with a little focus and determination, the sky's the limit for what you can achieve in the world of artificial intelligence. Keep pushing yourself to be the best you can be.
Hey there, quantum enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the mindset shift needed for the exciting world of quantum computing. First off, let's talk about embracing uncertainty. Unlike traditional computers that rely on binary bits, quantum computers use qubits that can exist in multiple states at once. This means letting go of the notion of exact answers and embracing the potential of exploring multiple solutions simultaneously. Next, let's discuss the power of thinking nonlinearly. Quantum algorithms operate in a fundamentally different way than classical algorithms, requiring a new way of thinking about problems and solutions. It's all about understanding the interconnectedness of data and how to manipulate it in ways never before possible. As we continue to push the boundaries of quantum computing, remember that the mindset shift required is not just about learning new skills but about reimagining what's possible. The breakthroughs ahead are limitless, and with the right mindset, we can unlock incredible new possibilities. So keep exploring, keep innovating, and let's embrace the quantum revolution together. See you in the future.
Hey there, everyone! Have you ever heard of quantum computing? Well, get ready because this groundbreaking technology is set to revolutionize the way we think about data and security in the future. One of the key benefits of quantum computing is its ability to perform complex calculations at speeds that are unimaginable with classical computers. With the power of qubits and quantum entanglement, quantum computers have the potential to solve problems that are currently impossible to solve with traditional computers. But it's not just about speed. Quantum computing also offers enhanced security features that could change the game for cybersecurity. Thanks to the principles of quantum mechanics, quantum computers have the potential to create unbreakable encryption methods, providing a new level of confidence in data protection. So, buckle up and get ready for the future of confidence boosts with quantum computing. The possibilities are endless, and the potential for innovation is truly exciting. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk to you about why and how to use ChatGPT mindfully in your daily routine. First of all, ChatGPT is a wonderful tool that can assist you in various tasks, from writing emails to generating ideas. However, it's important to use it mindfully to ensure that it enhances your productivity and doesn't become a distraction. Main story point 1. Set clear boundaries with ChatGPT by establishing specific times in your day when you will use it. This will prevent you from relying on it too heavily and ensure that you are still engaging in other important activities. Main story point 2. Practice critical thinking when using ChatGPT. Remember that it is a tool, not a replacement for your own creativity and problem-solving skills. Use it to supplement your ideas and thoughts, rather than dictate them. By using ChatGPT mindfully, you can make the most out of this helpful tool.